Okay, so starting on with the sum, let us see the highlights of the question. We are doing question number 2 based on average rate of gross profit. Okay, so let's see. A fire broke out in a godown of a business house on 8th July 2016. Date is very important. Yeah. Goods costing rupees 2,03,000 in a small godown remain unaffected by fire. Last lecture when I had done theory with you, I told you goods which are not burned in fire, what are they called? They are called as salvage. जो goods जलने से बच गए या जिसको हम बोलते हैं जो goods नहीं जले उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Salvage. Okay, so this is the salvage part. 2,03,000. Okay, goods saved is nothing but salvage. The goods retrieved in a damaged condition from the main godown were valued rupees 1,97,000. ठीक है. Okay, so salvage part is here 1,97,000. ये goods retrieved मतलब मिले in a damaged condition from the main godown were valued at 1,97,000. Damaged condition. So this is loss actually. This goods was unaffected by fire. Next, from the following particulars, these records are available. What? Stock as on 31st March 2016. तो ये कौन सा स्टॉक है? ये मेरा क्लोजिंग स्टॉक है. ठीक है. Purchases for the period of 1st April 2016. Okay. So see your period is what? This is your period. 1st April to 8th July. That means this 31st March is your closing stock. Okay. This is your closing stock. Okay. नेक्स्ट, ये क्लोजिंग स्टॉक किसका है? 31st मार्च 2016 का. तो 1st अप्रैल 2016 के लिए ये बन जाएगा ओपनिंग स्टॉक. ओके, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वे. ओके, आई रिपीट, stock on 31st March 2016, but your period is from where? From 1st April to 8th July. 8 जुलाई को तो आग लग गई, बराबर क्या? तो ये जो 31st मार्च 2016 का स्टॉक है, दिस इज ओपनिंग स्टॉक फॉर 1st April 2016. ओके, एंड परचेजेस कितना है? 37,10,000 परचेजेस. ठीक है. एंड सेल्स सेम टाइम में सेल्स कितना है? 52,60,000. ठीक है. एवरेज रेट ऑफ ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट, तो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट आपको दिया हुआ है कितना? 30% ऑन सेल्स. पॉलिसी वाज रुपीज 10 लाख, मतलब द पॉलिसी वैल्यू. आपने कितने का इंश्योरेंस लिया है? 10 लाख का इंश्योरेंस लिया है. आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? फायर इंश्योरेंस क्लेम कैलकुलेट करना है. इज द क्वेश्चन क्लियर टू एवरीवन? क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर? Okay. Now see students, I'll tell you one more thing over here, one more highlight in the question I'll show you. Okay, see the second line. Goods costing rupees 2,03,000 in a small godown remain unaffected by fire. बराबर. And there were certain goods which were retrieved. Retrieved मतलब बच गए. अब बच गए, ये goods भी बच गए. कितना? What is the value of these goods? 1,97,000. Okay, so your salvage, you have two salvage. One is this this 2,03,000 wala. Okay, and one is this 1,97,000. Clear with the sum? Question समझ में आया? Is the question clear? Great. Yeah. So now let us start solving. पहले क्या लिखेंगे? We will make that statement of claim. Okay. First step is what here? Hang on. We will see the statement of claim. तो क्या है वो? Statement of loss, actual loss of stock. Okay. So step one, right on. We make the statement of actual loss. Okay. So make a statement. Particulars and amount column. Particulars and amount. Okay. What do you start with? First, stock on date of fire. Stock on date of fire less salvage will give me actual loss. Okay. Right. Salvage to question भी दिया हुआ है. It's given in the question. How much is the salvage? 2,03,000 and 1,97,000. So calculate 2,03,000 plus 1,97,000. 4 lakhs. So right here 4 lakhs. Okay. Now how to calculate stock on date of fire? ये भी हमने डिस्कस किया था. How do we calculate this? By preparing a memorandum trading account. Okay. So when you prepare a memorandum trading account, you will get stock on date of fire. Now, what is memorandum trading account? Trading account prepared for less than a year is known as memorandum trading account. ठीक है, कैसे पता चलेगा it's a memorandum trading account? Yeah. Please look into this detail. 1st April to 8 July, April, May, June, 3 महीना. Okay, so ये less than 12 months है. Yes, so this is a memorandum trading account. Am I clear? समझ में आ रहा है? How to identify an exam? It's a memorandum trading account. Okay, so now let us prepare a memorandum trading account. Okay, so this will be the working note. Madam. Yeah. Memorandum trading account. So 1st April 2016 to 8th July 2016. Okay, so this is my working note number 1. Okay, so start with opening stock. Yeah, I have opening stock 15,72,000. Okay, next purchases, ABBI question mark 37,10,000. Then sales, that is also there in the okay. So sales is how much? 52,60,000. 52,60,000. Okay, that's it. Okay, all this information is there. See, stock, yeah, 15,72,000. So this is debit, purchase is debit, sales is credit, profit will be debit. Okay, so like this you have to calculate. Okay, clear about it? Is it clear? Now calculate your gross profit. Yeah. How much is gross profit? 30% on sales बोला. तो calculate करो. 30% on sales. So 52,60,000 का 30%. 15,78,000. So write it here. 15,78,000. Okay. Then close this ledger. Okay. Close the ledger. Plus 37,10,000 plus 15,72,000. So my answer is 68,60,000. 68,60,000. Okay, minus 52,60,000. My answer is 16 lakhs. Okay, so this actually is closing stock, but since it's a memorandum trading account, closing stock is known as buy stock on date of fire. Okay, actually it's a closing stock, but since it is for less than a period, less than 12 months, we will mention closing stock as buy stock on date of fire. Is this clear? समझ में आया? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is this clear to everyone? Okay, yeah, great. And I hope you all are noting it down also in your notebooks. Huh? Just don't sit idle there. And even if you are taking screenshots, see to it that ensure it that you're writing it in the notebook. Screenshot low, I have no issues with that. But then see to it that you're writing it in the notebook. Unless and until you don't write, you will never understand accounts lecture. Okay, so we got the answer 16 lakhs. Now substitute here. Okay, so right here, working note number 1. So मुझे ये आंसर मिला. कौन सा 16 lakhs. So I get my answer. So how much loss is there? 12 lakhs का loss हुआ. Okay. तो समझ में आया? 16 lakhs के goods को आग लग गई. 16 lakhs के goods थे जिसको आग लगी. उसमें से 4 लाख के goods बच गए जिसको आग नहीं लगी. Okay, so actual loss मेरा 12 lakhs का हुआ. Okay. Now step 2. What is step 2? Calculating claim. Okay. First step is what? Calculating actual loss. Second step is what? कैलकुलेटिंग क्लेम। ठीक है, क्लेम कैसे निकालते हैं? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर क्लेम? वी हैड डन इट लास्ट लेक्चर. पॉलिसी वैल्यू डिवाइड बाय स्टॉक ऑन डेट ऑफ फायर into actual loss. Actual loss या loss of stock भी लिख सकते हैं. You can also write this as loss of stock. एक ही बात है. ठीक है, ये word actual loss is also known as loss of stock. ठीक है, अभी सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. पॉलिसी वैल्यू कितना था? 10 lakhs का पॉलिसी है ना. पॉलिसी वैल्यू इज 10 lakhs. स्टॉक ऑन डेट ऑफ फायर 16 lakhs. लॉस कितने का है? 12 लाख. Solve this equation, you will get the answer. Okay, so 10 lakhs divided by 16 lakhs into 12 lakhs. So my answer is 7 lakh 50. तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी आपको 7.5 लाख का क्लेम देगा. ठीक है, नुकसान कितने का हुआ है? 12 लाख का. क्लेम कितने का मिल रहा है? 7.5. ऑब्वियसली इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कभी भी आपको पूरा क्लेम नहीं देती है, हमेशा कम मिलता है. Claim money is always less than the loss money. Clear with the sum, everyone? Noted down the solution. Okay, so always first write down the step 1. फिर देखो क्या चीजें दी है, जो नहीं दिया है तो ढूंढो. Is it easy? Okay, now let us come to the next question. Okay, this one. Okay, question number 3. Calculate the amount of claim. क्या दिया है? बुक वैल्यू ऑफ नॉर्मल स्टॉक एंड करंट वैल्यू ऑफ एबनॉर्मल स्टॉक. तो अपने पास दो स्टॉक है, 54,600 and 3450 का. स्टॉक सैलवेज दिया है 8,500 और क्या बोला है? आउट ऑफ विच 1/3 was handed over to the insurance company. ठीक है, policy value is given 50,000. फायर फाइटिंग एक्सपेंसेस इज ऑल्सो गिवन 2740. ठीक है, तो जो फायर ब्रिगेड आया, उन्होंने फायर ब्रिगेड जब आप बुलाते हो तो उसके भी पैसे देने पड़ते हैं. ओके, दे डोंट कम फॉर फ्री. या तो फायर ब्रिगेड ने कितना चार्ज किया? 2750. ठीक है, तो ये भी अपने जेब से ही जाना. ठीक है, चलो लेट अस स्टार्ट. वही सेम स्टेप 1, स्टेप 2, स्टेप 3. ठीक है, so start with step 1. You have to calculate the loss. Statement of actual loss. ठीक है, start with stock on date of fire. Question में दिया stock on date of fire. The best part. it's given in the question. Otherwise we have to find it, right? क्या दिया था? Normal goods and abnormal goods. How much? 54,600 and 3,450. Okay, so total this 54,600 plus 3,450 कितना हुआ? 58,050. 58,050. ठीक है, less salvage. Salvage is also given in the question. कितना? 5,800. ठीक है, फिर add firefighting expense. Firefighting expense. Why am I adding this? Obviously because it will increase my cost. अगर मेरे गोडाउन में आग लगी है और मुझे सपोज से 12,000 का नुकसान हुआ है, उसमें से 3,000 फायर ब्रिगेड को भी देना पड़ रहा है, तो मेरा नुकसान तो बढ़ गया ना. 12 plus 3, 15,000 हुआ. Am I clear? The firefighting expense will increase my cost to 750. Am I clear about this? Why am I adding firefighting expenses back? This will give me loss. Minus 5,800 minus 27, sorry, minus plus 2,750. 55,000 का मुझे लॉस हुआ है. Next, step 2. Step 2 में what we will calculate? Claim. Claim का formula is what? Policy value upon stop on date of fire into loss. Yeah, actual loss. Yeah, loss of stock. Okay. Policy value was how much? 50,000. Stop on date of fire we just calculated 58,050 and actual loss 55,000. Okay, everything is there in the question. See, stop on date of fire 58,050, actual loss 55,000 and policy value 50,000. Okay, substitute karo, you will get your answer. 55,000, 58,050. The answer is 47,372.9. Make it 373. 47,370. Okay. So this is my final answer. Okay. Okay. Is this clear? And yes, how salvage is 5,800, that also I will show it to you. ये 8,700 है ना? Yeah. इसका सिर्फ 1/3 लेंगे. Okay, 2,900. Okay, मतलब माइनस करके लेंगे. I'll just solve this. This 8,700 का 1/3 was given ना, तो मतलब 2/3 कैलकुलेट करोगे तो भी आंसर आ जाएगा. So 8,700 into 2 divided by 3, 5,000. Okay, like this. This is the calculation. What I am writing here, 8,700 into 2/3. Okay, 1/3 तो they gave back to insurance company. Okay, so आपको कितना चार्ज पड़ा? 2/3. Is this clear?